Homeowners searching for window replacement. Tarrytown Austin, Texas want upgrades that match neighborhood character while improving comfort and value. In Austin, Texas, Tarrytown window replacement projects often focus on curb appeal, energy savings, and long-term durability for homes near Lake Austin Blvd, Windsor Rd, Exposition Blvd, and Mopac. Whether you need home window replacement Austin, Texas for a classic bungalow or residential window replacement Tarrytown for a larger custom property, the right solution can transform interior light, reduce drafts, and modernize the look of your home. Many families choose a trusted Tarrytown Austin, Texas replacement window company to handle design, product selection, and precise installation. Energy performance is a major reason homeowners invest in energy-efficient window replacement Austin. High-efficiency replacement windows Austin can help reduce heat transfer during hot Central Texas summers, while insulated window replacement Tarrytown options add comfort throughout the year. Many buyers specifically ask for energy-efficient windows Tarrytown Austin, Texas and double-pane window replacement Austin, Texas because modern insulated glass can lower outside noise and improve HVAC efficiency. From energy-saving window installation Austin, Texas to insulated glass window replacement Austin 78703, upgraded windows are a practical home improvement for West Austin properties that face strong sun exposure. Older homes in this area often need specialty products, and replacement windows for older homes Tarrytown should be selected with architectural style in mind. Historic home window replacement Tarrytown Austin may involve preserving original charm while enhancing function with modern replacement windows Austin. Homeowners in 78703 frequently look for custom home windows Tarrytown Austin 78703 when standard sizes do not fit traditional openings. A professional window contractor Tarrytown neighborhood Austin, Texas can recommend custom window replacement Austin solutions that respect original design details, especially for homes near established streets and mature tree-lined blocks in West Austin. Material options vary, and vinyl window replacement Tarrytown Austin, Texas remains a popular choice for affordability, easy maintenance, and strong thermal performance. Many households also compare wood window replacement Tarrytown Austin for timeless elegance or aluminum window replacement Austin, Texas for sleek lines and durability. Vinyl replacement windows Austin, Texas 78703 are often selected for family homes that want reliable performance without intensive upkeep. Whether the goal is affordable window replacement Tarrytown TX or premium replacement windows Tarrytown West Austin, the right frame material can impact appearance, maintenance needs, and overall energy efficiency for years to come. Style selection matters because different rooms benefit from different designs, and casement window replacement Tarrytown is ideal for ventilation and unobstructed views. Sliding window replacement Austin is often preferred for contemporary layouts and spaces where outward opening windows are less practical. Picture window replacement Tarrytown can maximize natural light and showcase landscapes near Lake Austin or tree-filled residential streets. For homeowners seeking double-pane windows Tarrytown Austin, Texas, combining style with performance creates a balanced upgrade. From storm window replacement Austin, Texas to custom configurations, window choices should reflect both aesthetics and functionality. Installation quality is as important as product quality, and window installation and replacement Austin should always be handled with attention to fit, sealing, and structural integrity. Full-frame window replacement Austin is a strong option when existing frames are deteriorated or moisture damaged, while retrofit window replacement Tarrytown may work well when frames remain in good condition. A dependable window replacement service Tarrytown Austin, Texas will inspect existing openings, explain installation methods, and recommend the best path forward. Homeowners looking for local window replacement experts Austin, Texas 78703 often prioritize companies with experience in Tarrytown, West Austin, and surrounding Austin, Texas neighborhoods. Severe weather protection is another important factor, especially for homes exposed to wind and seasonal storms. Storm-resistant windows Tarrytown Austin, Texas offer stronger construction and glass packages designed to improve resilience without sacrificing appearance. Many residents ask about storm window replacement Austin, Texas when updating aging units in properties near open corridors or elevated areas. Combining insulated window replacement Tarrytown with durable materials can improve comfort and add peace of mind. For homeowners wanting best replacement windows Austin, Texas, weather resistance and energy performance often go hand in hand during product selection. Location-specific service can make a project more convenient, and many customers search for window replacement near Tarrytown, Austin, Texas because they want a company familiar with the area. Window replacement Lake Austin Blvd, Austin, Texas, window installers Enfield Road, Austin, Texas, and window replacement near Exposition Blvd, Austin, Texas are common local searches from residents who value fast response times and neighborhood knowledge. Others seek window replacement near Windsor Rd, Austin, Texas, or replacement windows near West Austin Tarrytown for nearby expertise. Choosing a best window replacement company Tarrytown Austin can simplify planning, permitting considerations, and scheduling for busy households. Aesthetic upgrades frequently drive demand for house window replacement Austin, Texas because new windows can dramatically refresh a home's exterior and interior. A carefully planned home window upgrade Tarrytown, Austin, Texas can improve sightlines, brighten living spaces, and create a more cohesive architectural style. Many homeowners turn to window renovation services Tarrytown, Austin when renovating kitchens, living rooms, or whole homes. Whether you need window glass replacement Tarrytown TX for damaged panes or a complete package of premium replacement windows Tarrytown West Austin, the right improvements can enhance both everyday enjoyment and resale appeal in the Austin, Texas market. Professional guidance helps homeowners choose the best combination of value and performance for their property. Residential window installers Tarrytown Austin can assess whether your project calls for affordable window replacement Tarrytown TX, custom window replacement Austin, or full-frame window replacement Austin for aging structures. From window replacement for homes near Mopac, Austin to Tarrytown, Austin, Texas window installation services throughout 78,703, experienced teams help match products to budget, style, and climate needs. If you are comparing residential window replacement Tarrytown options, working with a window replacement Tarrytown, Austin, Texas company that understands local homes is the best way to achieve lasting results.